In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. We'll walk through the process from the Cloudflare account homepage all the way to the payment screen so you can confidently search for and purchase the domain you want. If you already have a Cloudflare account, this should be a very straightforward process. To get started, open Cloudflare and go to your account home. This is the main dashboard where you can access all of the services connected to your account. Once you're there, look for the domain section in the navigation and click on it. This is where Cloudflare groups together domain-related tools, including registration and management. After that, click on Overview. The Overview page gives you a general domain management area, and from here, you'll be able to start the purchase process. On this page, select By Domain. That will take you to the domain registration search screen. Now, you can search for the domain name you want. Type your desired name into the search field carefully. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving on, especially if the domain is for a business or brand. Once you've entered the name, click Search. Cloudflare will then show you the available results based on what you searched for. Review the options and find the domain you want to purchase. When you've chosen the right one, click Confirm next to that domain. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct extension, since even a small difference can matter. Next, you'll be taken to the checkout section where you'll need to enter your information. Fill in the required details as prompted on the page. Make sure everything is accurate, since domain registration information is important for billing and ownership records. As always, avoid sharing personal or payment details anywhere outside the official Cloudflare checkout page. Once your information is entered, review everything one more time. This is a helpful final check to confirm that the domain name, your details, and the purchase information all look correct. When you're ready, click Continue to pay for your selected domain. At that point, you'll move forward with payment and complete the purchase through Cloudflare. After checkout is finished, your new domain will be added to your account, where you can begin managing it and connecting it to your website or other services. And that's how to buy a domain on Cloudflare.